Hello everyone, this is Ron One of the Little Weird Shop and Dumb Bros World here. Going to show you a couple North American arms, the little mini 22s here. This is 22 Magnum. I've had this one for quite a while, and comes with the interchangeable cylinder to shoot 22 long rifle. And I upgraded to this one, the Ranger 2, because of this. Breaks open to reload. Look at that. Pretty nice. Where this one, the old one, which you can still get this, you have to pull this pin, cylinder drops out, load it, and then get it back in there without blowing your finger off. Which, you know, to me it's a little sketchy here. You gotta kind of play with it, and there it is. So I didn't really like that, and I didn't shoot it as much because of that. So that's why I upgraded to this. So I'm going to be putting this one up for sale at Bucky's Guns in Prescott. And what I use these for are for a backup gun now and then, so I have something, and sometimes when I just want to go really light but still want something, maybe because it's what I'm wearing, or I just don't want or can't have something very big or heavy. I used to wear this one a lot with this add-on little grip here. This grip covers the trigger, and you can clip it on your pocket. Then when you need it, just flip it open, and it makes a good lot there to hang on to for it too. These are single action, so you have to cock them, pull the trigger for each firing. But so to sell this one, I'm going to put these grips, rosewood grips, which are beautiful because I can't find the ones I had. I know I have them, so I will have a pair if I want to put them on, but to get it over there to get for sale, I'm going to pull the grips off of this, put it on this one, because I want to save this pocket carry clip thing. And I also have some oversized, kind of a rubbery grips that I'm going to try. As you can see, these are quite a bit larger there, so those might be kind of nice. And I also got to try out, I got a pocket holster here. So like the gun goes in here, it's got a little stretchy band to hook over the hammer, and also has storage in here for some extra bullets. And you stick that whole thing in your pocket, preferably with this grip on. But so I'm going to try that out. And I got this one. This is a goes on the belt, and it's a little cross draw holster. Put it on. So I'm kind of anxious to try this one out. So very small, very light. They shoot well. They're very well made. They're made in Utah, North American Arms, NAA. And I say I've had this for quite a while. I liked it so much, and when this one came up with the break open, still not used to doing this, but it's pretty easy, and then it pushes the shells up so you can grab them. So let's go ahead and put these black grips on this one, and the rosewood grips back on this one that I'm going to sell. Alright, welcome back. We got these switched out, so we got the clip-on grip taken off this old one here. This is the old one, and put the rosewood grips on that. So we'll put the 22 long rifle cylinder with this and bring it over to Bucky's gun store in Prescott and get that thing sold, hopefully. And here's the Ranger 2. Actually, these models, this is called the Ranger 2. And this one just 22 mag. So this Ranger 2 that breaks open and pushes the shells out. I put the these black and gray grips on this one. I kind of like those. I mean, the rosewood ones are beautiful. They're pretty good quality. They do a good job on the grips. These black and gold aren't too shabby. And I don't know if I forgot to mention, they are 5 shots. I'll show you how these push these shells out. These are some Hornady defense loads for 22 mag. So you pop it open, and farther back you swing it, the farther out. I mean, it doesn't shoot them out, but it puts them out that far, and then it's easy for you to extract the empty cartridge cases out of there. Easy for me to say, huh? Well, there's the easy way. So there it is, my new Ranger 2. Try those grips someday. There it is in the cross jaw holster, which I'm going to try out first. And here's the old, just North American Arms 22 mag with the interchangeable 22 long rifle barrel. And here's the pocket holster again. Holds about, you could probably cram 6 in there. I've just got 5 in there for one reload. This has a stretchy loop too to hook over the hammer. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed this. Cool little gun. A lot of fun. Bye now.